Good morning students, welcome to today's class. So today we are going to start new chapter 8, factors and multiples. So let's start test of divisibility table. So test of divisibility you already studied in your 4th standard. So let's revise. What are the divisibility test of various numbers? So divisible by 2. Okay, divisible by 2 means whether a number comes into, if a number comes in the table of 2, okay, then we can say that number is divisible by 2. Okay, for example, we can take 8. 8 is coming in the table of 2, so 8 is divisible by 2. Okay, 20 is coming in the table of 2, so we can say that 20 is divisible by 2. So if you are given a number, you can test whether that number is divisible by 2. Okay, that test is called test of divisibility of 2. Okay, so if a number is divisible by 2 if its ones digit is even or 0. So if you are given a number, you have to look at its ones digit, that is ones place digit. Okay, if it is even or 0, that is if it is 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. Okay, these are even digit 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0, then we can say that number is divisible by 2. Okay, so let's take example 36. Okay, so here you have to consider ones place digit. So it is 6. 6 is an even number. So 36 is divisible by 2. Okay, next 48. So here ones place digit, it is 8. So 8 is even number. Okay, so 48 is divisible by 2. Next 120. Here at ones place digit it is 0. Okay, if 0 comes at ones place digit means it is divisible by 2, we know that test. Okay, so 120 is also divisible by 2. Okay, next 3. Okay, a number is divisible by 3 if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. Okay, so if you are given a number, you have to first find the sum of the digits of that number. Okay, then you have to find whether that sum of the digits is divisible by 3. Okay, so let's take example 18. So you can find the sum of the digits of 18. So the digits are 1 and 8. So finding their sum, you will get 1 plus 8 equal to 9. Now you have to check whether 9 is divisible by 3. That you know. Okay, 3 into 3, 9. So 9 is divisible by 3. So we can say that 18 is divisible by 3. Okay, let's take another example 228. So here the digits are 2, 2 and 8. So find the sum. So 2 plus 2 plus 8, you will get 12. So 12 is divisible by 3. That we know. 3 into 4 equal to 12. Okay, so 12 is divisible by 3. So we can say that 228 is divisible by 3. That is, sum of the digits is, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then that number will be divisible by 3. Okay, let's take the third example 58. Now finding the sum of the digits. So you will get 5 plus 8 equal to 13. So 13 is not divisible by 3. So we can say that 58 is not divisible by 3. That is, 58 will not come in 3's table. Okay. Next, divisible by 4. So a number is divisible by 4 if the number formed by its last two digits is divisible by 4 or if the last two digits are both zeros. So if you are given a number and you have to check whether that number is divisible by 4, you have to look at the last two digits, the number formed by that last two digits. Okay, now check whether that number is divisible by 4. There is another rule, that is if the last two digits are both zeros, means that is also divisible by 4. Okay, so let's take example 116. Okay, so you have to check whether 116 is divisible by 4. So you have to check the number formed by last two digits. Okay, so here it is 16. So 16 is divisible by 4. That we know. 4 into 4 equal to 16. Since 16 is divisible by 4, we can say that 116 is divisible by 4. Okay. Next example 288. So the number formed by last two digits, it is 88. Okay. Here it is 88. So 88 is divisible by 4. How can we check that if whether 88 is divisible by 4 or not? You can divide 88 by 4. So you will get 4 into 2, 8, remainder 0, then 8, again 4 into 2, 8. Now subtracting, you will get the remainder 0. Okay, if on dividing 88 by 4, you get the remainder 0, then we can say that 88 is divisible by 4. Okay, so here 8 we got the remainder 0, so we can say that 88 is divisible by 4 if the number formed by last two digit is divisible by 4. Then we can say that the number is divisible by 4. So here 88 is divisible by 4, so we can say that 288 is divisible by 4. Okay, next 300. So there is another rule. If the last two digits are both zeros, then we can say that that number is divisible by 4. So here last two digits are both zeros, so we can say that 300 is divisible by 4. Okay, that is the divisibility rule of 4. Next, divisible by 5. So if a number is divisible by 5 if its last digit, one's digit is either 0 or 5. Okay, that is a symbol. That is, if you are given a number, you have to check whether its one's place digit is 0 or 5. Okay, if it ends with a 0 or 5 means it is divisible by 5. So 50, we can take example 50. It ends with a 0, so it is divisible by 5. Next example 65. 65, it ends with a 5. Okay, so we can say that it is divisible by 5. Next 115. Again here also this ends with a 5. If the last number is 5 or 0 means it is divisible by 5. Okay, so 115, 160, these are all divisible by 5. Next 6. Divisible by 6 if it is divisible by 2 and 3. That is, if a number comes in both the table of 2 and 3. Okay, if the number is both divisible by both 2 and 3. Okay, it should come in table of 2 and it should come in the table of 3. Then it will come in the table of 6. That is, it is divisible by 6. Okay, we can take example 72. 72, it ends with 2. So it is coming in the table of 2. That is, it is divisible by 2. Now 72, 7 plus 2, taking the sum of the digits, we will get 7 plus 2, 9. 9 is divisible by 3, so we will get we will get 72 is divisible by 3. We can say that. Okay, so 72 is divisible by both 2 and 3. So we can say that 72 is divisible by 6. Okay. Similarly, 186, 342 are all divisible by 6. Next, 9. 9, if the sum of its digit is divisible by 3. This is similar to the divisibility test of 3. That is, we have to find the sum of the digits. Okay, digits. If a number is given, you have to find the sum of the digit. And if that sum of digit is divisible by 9, then we can say that that number is divisible by 9. Okay, so 27. 2 plus 7, you will get 9. Okay, 9 is divisible by 9, so 27 is divisible by 9. Okay, similarly 108. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 8, 9. So again 9 is divisible by 9. So 9 is coming in 9's table. 9 into 1 equal to 9. Okay, so 108 is divisible by 9. Then next 135. 1 plus 3 plus 5. You will get 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. Again you got 9. So 9 is coming in. 9 is divisible by 9. So 135 is divisible by 9. Okay, you have to find the sum of the digits. If you got the sum of the digits is divisible by 9, then that number is divisible by 9. Okay, now next 10. If its once a digit is 0. So, if a number comes in the table of 10 or if a number is divisible by 10, it will end in 0. Okay, if a number ends in 0, then we can say that that number is divisible by 10. Here 140 ends with 0. So it is divisible by 10. 430, it ends with 0. So it is divisible by 10. 1000, it ends with 0. So it is divisible by 10. 2340, 0. It ends with 0. So it is also divisible by 10. Okay. Next, 11. If the difference between the sums of the digits in the odd places and the even places is either 0 or divisible by 11. That is the rule. That is, let us take one example, 132. Okay. So, 132. Okay. This is first digit. This is second digit. This is third digit. So we know that 1 is odd number. Okay, 2 is even number, and again 3 is odd number. Okay, so first find the digits in the odd places. Okay, digits in the odd places means digit that comes in the odd places. Okay, that is in the first place, in the third place, in the fifth place. Okay, so 1 is an odd number, so digit that comes in the first place, that will be digit in the odd place. Okay, 3 is an odd number, so digit that comes in third place will be digit in the odd places. Okay, now 5 is an odd number, so digit that come in fifth place will be digit in the odd place. Okay, so digit that come in first place, it is in this number. Our number is 132, so in this number 2. Okay, 2. Then third digit in the third place, it is 1. Okay, after this you need to find their sum. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Sum of the digit in the odd places is 3. Okay, likewise find the digit in the even places. Okay, so here only one even place, that is 2. Okay, so digit in the second place, it is 3. Okay, so actually sum of the digit in the even place you need to find, but here only one number, so no need to find the sum. You need to find the digit in the even place only. After finding this, you have to find their difference. Okay, so difference, it is 3 minus 3 equal to 0. If this difference is 0 or divisible by 11, 0 or divisible by 11, what are the numbers? 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, etc. If the difference is 0, 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, etc., then we can say that this number 132 is divisible by 11. Okay, that is, first find the digits in the sum of the digits in the odd places, then find the sum of the digits in the even places, then find their difference. If the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, okay, then we can say that that number is divisible by 11. Okay, let's take another example. 1430. Okay, so here 0 is first number, this is second number, this is third number, this is fourth number. So we need to find sum of the digits in the odd places first. Okay, odd places. Here, which are the digits that come in odd places? So digit that come in first place, that is 0 plus next third place. Okay, that is 4. 0 plus 4, you will get 4. Next we can find the sum of the digits that comes in the even places. Okay, so even places, here two places are there, that is 2 and 4. So digit that comes in second place, it is 3, plus digit that comes in fourth place, it is 1. Okay, so 3 plus 1, you will get 4. Now finding their difference, what we will get? 4 minus 4, you will get a 0. So if the difference is 0, we can say that this number is divisible by 11. Okay, if the difference is 0 or divisible by 11, that is 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, etc. Any number, we can say that this number is divisible by 11. So this is the divisibility test of 11. Next, a divisibility test of 12. It is if it is divisible by 3 and 4. If a number is divisible by both 3 and 4, that is, if a number comes in both 3's and 4's multiplication table, then we can say that it is divisible by 12. Okay, so 24, it is coming in 3's table. It is also coming in 4's table. So we can say that 24 is divisible by 12. Okay, now 15, divisibility test of 15, if it is divisible by 3 and 5. So a number should come in 3 and 5. Then only it will be divisible by 15. So 30. So 30 is coming in 3's table and 30 is coming in 5's table. So we can say that 30 is coming in 15th table. Okay. So this much for this class. Study the divisibility test. So thank you.